everyone. This is Dr. Ushashi Banerjee, Senior Clinical Psychologist, AMRI Hospitals. So today I am here to discuss about stress and its management in our day-to-day life. What is stress? Stress is basically a state of psychological tension and mental worry, which happens when we pass through difficult and testing situations. So some amount of stress we all know is important for performance, but when stress piles up and stressors are too many in number, we sometimes we become overwhelmed with stress. That is when we should take care that we need to manage stress effectively so that stress does not affect our well-being. April is the month of stress-related awareness. This campaign actually started in the United Kingdom so that awareness regarding stress is globally spread and the far-reaching consequences of stress is known to people. So, as I was discussing, stress causes we all know that stress causes psychiatric problems, but do you know that stress also is responsible for physical problems as well? Because basically due to situation of overwhelming stress, our body homeostasis gets disbalanced. So starting from hair loss, obesity, dermatological conditions like eczema, gastric irritations, and also irritable bowel syndrome. These are some of the stress-induced physical conditions which happen when our body is affected by stress. So, but stress is actually manageable. If we are a little bit aware about stress and its management, we can very well handle stress and combat with it in a very proper way. So, I will be discussing some of the easy ways one can handle stress in day-to-day life. Like number one is getting started with it, planning your day throughout. Then number two is getting proper sleep, getting proper nutrition, exercising, then obviously relaxing, practice deep breathing. Deep breathing is a very easy way of relaxing yourself. It can be practiced anywhere, in any position you are. Then you can do meditation, yoga, and then we have other easy ways of pampering ourselves, which is also important. Work-life balance need to be addressed in a proper way. Too much of work overstresses us, so you should find out time for relaxing. Connecting with your family and friends is also important, and above all, be happy, be relaxed, be content with your life. That is what matters. And last but not the least, I would like to say that whenever you are feeling overwhelmed or stressed, please do seek help from a trained professional. We are always there for your help. Thank you.